Hi everyone, my name is Pradol and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a really fun one. I personally love trying out new makeup. Today I'm going to be trying out new makeup but with a twist. So I've asked YouTubers to recommend me products in the past. Today also they're going to be recommending me products, but makeup products for my makeup vanity, my bridal trousseau if you will. I really wanted to know what people think is a necessity in a bride-to-be's collection, and I've received some really interesting pics which I'm so excited to share with you guys in today's video. I do want to say that I have received so many products in the same category, which is why I've decided to split this video into a part 1 and a part 2 because it's just not possible for me to try out like 3 foundations and 6 different lipsticks. You know what I mean? So make sure that you're waiting for a part 2. Having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so the first product that we have is a foundation, and it's a product that I've never tried before. So this product has been recommended to me by Ashi Khanna. So this product right here is the NARS Radiant Long Wear Foundation. So in the past few months, I've gotten a lot of trials done, makeup trials, and this actually is a foundation that a lot of makeup artists told me works really well for brides. So Ashi really knew what she was talking about when she recommended this product to me. I think it's a pretty good shade match. Online ही मैंने खुद को shade match किया and I've done a good job for once. Feels like a very lightweight serum consistency, but it has coverage for sure. If you have an important event, if you're getting married, I feel like it really does make sense to invest in an expensive foundation because if your skin looks good, your overall makeup just looks so good. Alright, so this is what the foundation looks like. I have worn this foundation before in the sense that a makeup artist has applied this on my skin before and it lasted me a really long time, and I will say that as the day progresses it looks even better. It's one of those foundations. On camera it looks great and even in real life it looks great, which is even more important to me. I think your skin has to look nice in person as well as it has to photograph well. So a great start to this video. Thank you to Ashi for recommending this product to me because I don't think I would have bought this if it wasn't recommended by her. Okay, let's move on to setting our face. You're gonna actually be shocked at the number of powders that I have been recommended, which is one of the reasons why I've decided to split this video into part 1 and part 2 because yehi ek video mein I have 3 powders to test out. Second video mein to aur bhi zyada hai. So Aditi Shrestha, that quirky miss, recommended me the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush powder. Truly is an amazing powder. Whereas Mansi Mao recommended me this Givenchy powder. I have used this in the past, but I'm actually kind of excited to put both of these to the test and see which one works out better for me and my skin type. The Givenchy one, by the way, comes with a powder puff. The thing with loose powders is no matter how much you try to be clean with these, they get everywhere. I'm actually so glad that I'm doing this video because this is kind of like a makeup trial for me. I'm trying out so many new products which hopefully I can use on my wedding day or at least one of the functions. So I am going to be doing my makeup on one of the functions. So I feel like I'm putting to the test and the best products will make it to the day. For my right side, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury's powder. This is a compact powder. Instantly you can see how great my under eyes look. It really adds that airbrush filter. Let's dust this off and see the difference. I can't believe I'm about to say this, but I like the Givenchy powder more than the Charlotte Tilbury powder. I've been using the Charlotte Tilbury powder for a while. I've gone through so many of these, but I think I really like this more for like a event. For a day-to-day or for like more casual events, I like this one. Actually, let me rephrase. What I mean is the Charlotte Tilbury powder looks amazing, but for like a wedding, there's just something about this. Like my under eyes feel very soft It's a really weird word to use for your under eyes, but it just looks very bouncy and very not powdery. I think that's the best way I can explain it. Whereas this one, definitely you can see that there's powder on it, not in a bad way, but इसमें powder literally मेरे skin के अंदर seep हो चुका है, and it looks like skin. The next product is a blush, and this one is recommended to me by Yashita Rai. We have the Rare Beauty blush right here. Now I feel like this has so quickly become everyone's favorite, and for good reason. It is expensive, but it's very, very, very pigmented and gives you that glow. I know it's trendy to like put 3 dots on your face, and I also do that a lot of times, but I feel like the best result you get when you apply it on the back of your hand. Pick it up with a sponge or a brush and then you apply it. Just helps you diffuse the product better is what I feel. Malab, you can tell that there's blush on my skin, but it also looks like that healthy glow from within. Do you see how flat this side looks? And then this one just looks like I've been eating my veggies, drinking my water and working out. It's definitely a product that I've tried before, and in fact I use it quite a lot. But I think it's a great recommendation, especially for the wedding time. Okay, so the next product has been recommended to me by Adya, and she has recommended a highlighter. This is the K Beauty's newest launch actually. Now she personally isn't that into makeup, but she does use a lot of lipsticks and highlighters. I've noticed for special occasions, highlighter wo lagate, not for like a day-to-day basis. But I think a highlighter is really fitting for a bride. I need to show you guys what this foundation looks like on the skin. Truly is magical. Like, it's been a while that I've been so blown away by a highlighter. अभी मैंने बहुत कम लगाया. Let me like build it up. This product honestly has made me kind of fall in love with highlighters again. There was a brief period where I just wasn't using highlighters because just मजा नहीं आ रहा था. ये वाला एकदम natural लगता है, but you can really build it up. Personally, I love applying this on my eyes as well. कभी-कभी lips पे भी लगा देती हूँ मैं. It's too pretty. We're almost done with the video. Last few products. Just added a bindi. I feel like there's just something about a bindi and even a choker and jhumkas that just bring your look together. If you're feeling blah, personally, whenever I'm feeling blah at least, I just put on a bindi. I wear Indian, like a simple kurti, and I just look good. Instantly I look good, or rather feel good. Okay, back to the video. We're moving on to the lips now. Ashi Adani has actually suggested me not only a really cool product, but also a really cool hack. So she suggested that I use a pH lip tint, lip oil, to tint my lips, and then on top of that go in with a lipstick. So over the night or over the event, even if my lipstick fades, I still have really cute pinky lips, which I think is genius. So doing it exactly how she's recommended me to do it. I'm gonna start off with the Tipsy's pH oil. Okay, so adding the pH oil to make my lips super pink. I should have actually wiped off foundation from my lips. This adds a very pretty pink on my lips. You actually can't see the full effect. So ekdam hi light baby pink hai, which is exactly what I like. But I feel like if you don't have super pigmented lips, it looks even pinker. Like, I've put this on Aditya's lips and it looks like a bright pink because he already has pink lips. Also, one more thing that I want to add about this lip oil is last night I was trying this on because I was just so curious to see what it would look like. I put it on before going to bed and I honestly forgot to like remove it. Woke up in the morning with still pink, very natural pink lips. So this lasts a really, really long time. बहुत सुंदर lip tint है. Definitely would recommend. Let's add a lipstick on top of this. Now the lipstick that has been recommended to me by Alfia is by Simply Nam. This is their Comfort Wear matte lipstick. I've actually heard a lot of good things about this lipstick. How pretty is the shade? It is a matte lipstick, but it feels very, very lightweight. बहुत pretty है यार ये shade. I actually forgot that there's one more powder we need to try out. This is recommended to me. Can you guess? It's recommended to me by Anam. So this is that IRL Paris Filter Compact. I love the loose powder one. It comes in 2 variations, but I've never tried this one surprisingly, or I've just forgotten. I honestly can't remember using this. I might have. Oh, actually, I have tried the samples of this one, but I feel like I just love the loose powder one so much that I never end up using this. I've had this but never used it. So again, this one also comes with a puff, which is very convenient. It's transparent. I'm just gonna apply it on my oil glands. I end up really oily here and a little bit on my forehead. थोड़ा ज़्यादा use कर लिया मैंने. Of course, it's the same formulation as the loose powder. Similar formulation rather. So I can see the blurring happening for sure. And I think the compact is just more convenient in terms of like travel. Super easy and portable. Definitely recommend this for a wedding. Not only if you're a bride, but also if you're attending an event. This is really handy to just like dab. Coming a little closer so that you guys can see my pores. Of course, you can still see my pores, but I just feel like it looks blurry. Little bit blurry. We have one more product left. So this is by Kama Ayurveda, and this is their very popular Kumkumadi Tailam. This is supposed to be like a miraculous liquid. So basically, this is recommended to me by Shanice, and she told me that I should start using it every single night for like a week, and it's gonna give me that beautiful glow. I have heard so many good things about this product, so I was excited to try this out. However, I do have to say that this broke me out because it's an oil. It's like a oil serum, and I should know better. Oils for the most part do break me out, but that's all right. I'm glad that I got to try something out. And one more thing that I want to add actually is that my mom is obsessed with this oil. I've made her use this so that I could give you guys like a review. If you don't have a sensitive skin type, if you have a dry skin type and oils don't break you out, I feel like this is a really good product to try out for sure, because I feel like रात को आप लगा के सोओगे, सुबह आपको वो glow दिखेगा. This did not work out for me, but it did work out for my mom. So it just goes to show that not all products are for everyone. But regardless, thank you Shanice for recommending this product to me, because even though I don't use it, my mom uses it and loves it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I personally love watching and making makeup videos, so I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you like this Maharashtrian look that I have going on. Let me know in the comments down below. If you've made it so far, make sure to leave this emoji in the comments down below. And that's it. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Mridul and Aditya, follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.